Hello friends, today we are going to discuss question number 33 of NCRT. Here you can see the amount. The following was the balance sheet of Arun, Bablu and Chetan sharing profit and loss in the ratio 6 upon 14, 5 upon 14 and 3 upon 14. Means 6 is to 5 is to 3. All ratio of A, B and C is 6 is to 5 is to 3. Now this balance sheet is given. Then additional information, they agreed to take Deepak into partnership and give him share of 1/8 on the following term. Means new partner is Deepak and his share is 1 upon 8. That Deepak should bring 4200 as goodwill and rupees 7000 as his capital. Means यहाँ पे न्यू पार्टनर 7000 कैपिटल ला रहा है और 4200 गुडविल ला रहा है. दैट फर्नीचर बी डेप्रिशिएटेड बाय 12%. मीन डिक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्नीचर. देन स्टॉक depreciate 10%, reserve 5%, value of land and building having appreciation. Means this different adjustment are there. Then that after making the adjustment, the capital account of the old partner who continue to share in the same proportion as before, then it be adjusted to on the basis proportion of Deepak's capital to his share in business. Actual cash to be paid off to or brought in by the old partners as the case may be. Means या either कोई पार्टनर कैश लाएगा या तो ले जाएगा, डिपेंड ऑन द amount of capital after all adjustment. So first of all, this is the sum of admission. So here we have to find the new ratio because capital on the base of new ratio. So here you can see the old ratio is 6 is to 5 is to 3. So first of all ratio here partner A, B and C, the old ratio is 6 upon 14, 5 upon 14 and 3 upon 14. Means 6 is to 5 is to 3. New partner is D and his share is 1 upon 8. So you know how to calculate new profit sharing ratio. For new profit sharing ratio, you have to assume the share of firm is 1 minus 1 upon 8. So 7 upon 8. Now new profit sharing ratio of A, here B, here C and D. So how to calculate new profit sharing ratio? A 6 upon 14, B 5 upon 14, C 3 upon 14 and D already given 1 upon 8. Now it should be multiplied with the remaining share because 7 upon 8 is remaining share. 7 upon 8 is remaining share. So into 7 upon 8 into 7 upon 8 into 7 upon 8. So here 6 7 the 42 upon 14 8 the 112. 5 7 the 35 upon 112. 3 7 the 21 upon 112. And for making here difference 112, it should be multiplied by 14. 14 8 the 112. So here also 14. So here 14. So here new profit sharing ratio of A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. New profit sharing ratio is, you can see here 42 is to 35 is to 21 is to 14. So here we have to take it in reduced form. हमें यहाँ reduced form में लाना है. So here you can see 7 to the 14 7 3 the 21, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42. So this is the new profit sharing ratio, 6 is to 5 is to 3 is to 2. Now we have to find the new capital. So here capital is given at 1/8 share, 1/8 share, okay, in share of 1/8 in the following term. His capital is, new partner's capital is 7,000. So capital of the new firm, total capital of the new firm, total capital of the new firm, it will be 7,000 into, your share of new partner is 1/8. So making new capital here 7,000 into 8/1. So न्यू कैपिटल इज 56,000. तो ये जो न्यू कैपिटल है वो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में हम उसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो कितना वो लाएगा या तो कितना ले जाएगा, ऑन दैट बेस वी विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ए 56,000 into your new profit sharing ratio is 6 is to 5 is to 3 is to 2. So 6/6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 2 16. So 6/16. Here 56,000 into 6/16. 6/16. Same way here B 56,000 into 5/16. C 56,000 into 3/16. And D already ला रहा है 7,000 is capital, 7,000 already ला रहा है, means 50,000 into 1/8 से और 2/16, 2/16 और 1/8. So it will be 7,000. So here in reduced form, half of 6 is 3, half of 16 is 8. 8 7 the 56. So here 7,000 cut, here 8 cut, 7 3 the 21,000. So this will be the new capital, means balance CD of capital. Here balance CD 21,000 of partner A. Same way here 16, 8 to the 16, 8 7 the 56. So 35,000, again 7,000 divided by 2, so 3,500. 3,500 into 5, so 17,500. 17,500. 3,500 into 5 is equal to 17,500. Then here 8 to the 16, 8 7 the 56. So 7,000 here 2. Now 7 3 are 21,000 divided by 2. So 21,000 के half होगा 10,500. And D already you know 7,000. Okay, 2 8 the 16, 8 7 the 56, and 7,000 already given. So this is the new capital of the partner. So where we write this in balance sheet, in capital account we write in balance sheet which side, debit side of partner's capital account. Balance sheet A 21,000, B 17,500, C 10,500, and D will be 7,000. So this is the calculation. These are the working note of how to distribute capital. Now whenever we start the sum of the admission, at that time, you know, first of all we have to prepare the account. Which one? Revaluation account, particular amount rupees, debit credit. Then cash account, then partners capital account, and then balance sheet. So whenever we start this sum, first of all whatever opening balance is there, that we have to write. So here you can see in capital account opening balance around 19,000, W means B 16,000, C 8,000. So for opening balance, where we write in capital account credit side balance BD. A 19,000 is given in A 19,000. B balance of B is 16,000. A 19,000, B 16,000, and C 8,000, and D will brought how much? 7,000 as is capital. So he will bring. So here only we have written opening capital. Then in case account also opening balance. So in balance sheet we can see case is given 900. So here in case account, case is asset. So opening balance debit side of case account. So balance BD 800. Debit side of case account, balance BD 800. Balance BD 800. So after putting this amount in opening balance on case account and capital account, now we see first of all we solve the adjustment. So here they agreed to take Deepak into partnership. Here amount share is also given 1/8 share. Then on the following terms. So which are the terms? The first one, Deepak should bring in 4,200 as goodwill and 7,000 as his capital. So you know how to write journal entry, goodwill and capital. So 4,200 as goodwill and 7,000 as his capital. So journal entry, case account debit to partners capital account. So here in capital account we write here case account. In column of D we write the amount of capital, and it is 7,000. So case account debit to capital account. So in capital account 7,000, and in case account debit side we write D's capital account how much? 7,000. He also brought the goodwill. So case account debit to goodwill account. So goodwill account here we write goodwill account. How much goodwill? 4,200, and 4,200 goodwill is there. So whatever goodwill brought by new partner, it should be distributed to all partner in sacrifice ratio. So here you can see the share. All share is 6:5:3 and 1/8 share of new partner. So this ratio will be the sacrifice ratio. So how to calculate that goodwill? So calculation of goodwill. So goodwill is given how much? Goodwill is given 4,200. Goodwill is given 4,200. Now it should be distributed. So cash to goodwill and goodwill account debit. Goodwill account debit to all partners. So to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. So 4,200 it should be distributed in sacrifice ratio. So 4,200 and sacrifice ratio is same as all ratios, 6/14, because here 6:5:3 is the all ratio, and that will be the sacrifice ratio. So A 6/14, B 5/14, and C 3/14. So 4,200 A 4,200 into 6/14, B 4,200 into 5/14, and C 4,200 into 3/14. 4,200 into 2/14. So 4,200 into 6/14. So 14 3s are 42. So here 14 3s are 42. So 300 into 6, 1,800 share of A. 14 3s are 300 into 5. So 1,500 share of B, and 4,200 into 3/14. So 300 into 3, so 900. So total is 4,200. So 1,800 एक हो जाएगा, B 1,500, C 900. So 4,200. So here in journal entry, we write goodwill account debit 4200 to S capital account, to S capital account 1800, to B's capital account 1500, and to C's capital account 900. So posting of this journal entry, goodwill account to partners capital account. Here credit side of partners capital account. So in capital account we write on credit side of partners capital account. What we write? Goodwill premium. Goodwill premium. So goodwill premium, here amount we have already calculated 1800, 1500 and 900. 1800, 1500 and 900. So in this way opening balance we have written. Then after distribution of goodwill, for that what we have done, first of all for capital we have found the new profit sharing ratio, then for total capital, then finding goodwill. So after completing this we have to go ahead by solving the adjustment. So here different adjustments are given, on that base we will calculate. So here capital and goodwill point over. Now point B, that furniture be depreciated by 12%. मीन्स यहाँ फर्नीचर जो दिया है वो 12% डेप्रिशिएट किया है. तो फर्नीचर इज गिवन 3500. सो इन बैलेंस शीट वेयर वी राइट, इन असेट साइड वी राइट फर्नीचर. असेट साइड वी राइट फर्नीचर. फर्नीचर इज गिवन हाउ मच? 3500 minus depreciation. How many percentage? 12%. So 12% means here 10% 350 and 2% means 700. 2% means 70. So 350 plus 70, 420. If you don't know, then you have to multiply it. 3500 into 12 upon 100. So 420. 350. 3500 के 10% 350 एंड 2% होंगे 35 to the 70. तो 350 plus 70, so 420. So deduct this. So 3500 minus 420, so 308. Here you can see decrease in the value of asset 420. So decrease in the value of asset, where we write in revaluation account debit side. So on debit side we write furniture account. On debit side we write furniture account 420. Now again point C, that stock be depreciated by 10%. So stock is given how much? 14,000. Stock is given 14,000 and depreciated 10%. So 14,000 stock, where we write? So first of all in balance sheet we write on asset side stock. Stock is given how much? 14,000 minus decrease mean depreciation is given 10%. So 14,000, okay, 10% is 1400. So 14,000 minus 1400. So it will be the 12,600. 12,600. 14,000 minus 1400. So 12,600. Decrease in the value of asset. So decrease in the value of stock 1400. So here again decrease in asset. So revaluation debit side stock account. How much decrease? 1400. Whatever decrease, that only we have to write. Means difference. We have to write the difference. So stock account 1400. After that point D, that a reserve of 5% be created for doubtful debt. So 5% reserve of 5% created for doubtful debt. So here it should be calculated on debtors. So debtors are given how much? Debtors are 12,600. Debtors are 12,600 minus reserve. Reserve is 5% reserve created on debtors. So 5% 10% होता है 1260. तो उसका हाफ 630, 10% 1 to 6 0, इसका हाफ 630. So minus 0, 11,970, 11,970, so 12,600. So reducing the value of data means reserve. So 630, it should be on debit side. Doubtful debt, reserve on doubtful debt is how much? 630. 630. Provision for doubtful debt 630, where we have shown in revolution account debit side. Now point E, that the value of land and building having appreciated be brought up to rupees 31,000. So land and building appreciated up to 31,000. So here you can see land and building 24,000, or it will be appreciated till 31,000. It means increase in the value of asset 7,000, because 31,000 हुआ है. So land and building 24,000. तो पहले asset side we write land and building, how much? It is 24,000, and its value will be appreciated till 31,000. 31,000 तक हमें उसको अप्रिशिएट करना है. इसका मतलब कितना इंक्रीज हुआ? 7,000. 7,000 is increase in the value of land and building. Increase in the value of land and building. So here increase in asset, it should be written on credit side of revaluation account. So land and building, increase in asset is 7,000. So here we write 7,000. Increase in the value of land and building 7,000. Now next one, that after making adjustment the capital account of the all partner who continue to share the same proportion as before be on the basis of proportion of Deepak's capital to his share in the business, actual cash paid off or brought in by. So that we have already calculated. So here we have calculated the closing balance of A, B, C and D. So 21,000, 17,500, 10,500 and 7,000. So it will be the balance CD. So here balance CD will be written on debit side of partners capital account. So A 21,000, B 17,500, C 10,500, B 17,500, C 10,500 and D 7,000. D 7,000. So this will be the balance sheet. After that, making all the adjustment, either they will bring or grow. So balance sheet, it will be the capital of the new firm, of new balance sheet. So here balance sheet is 21,000, 17,500, 10,500 and 7,000. So this will be the opening balance of balance sheet. So here in liability side we write capital account A, B, C and D. So capital of A, you know how much? 21,000. New firm's capital 21,000. Capital of B 17,500. Capital of C 10,500 and new partners capital is 7,000. The total of this 5 plus 5. You have to write the amount in a proper way, so it will be easy for calculation. 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 query, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 1 query, 1 plus 2 3, 4 5. So 56,000. This will be the new capital. After that we will adjust. Okay, either the partner will bring or they will withdraw. Now all adjustment are done. Now again we have to see in balance sheet whatever remaining part. So here you can see on liability side creditors 9,000, bills payable 3,000. So these are the liability. It should be shown on liability side. So liability side, here we write creditors 9,000. It is given in amount. Creditors 9,000. and bills payable is 3000. तो यहाँ बिल्स पेएबल 3000. तो लाइबिलिटी वाला ओवर हो गया. अभी आएगा असेट साइड. सो लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग ऑलरेडी डन, फर्नीचर डन, स्टॉक डन, डेटर डन, कैश ऑल्सो डन. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द रीवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट. रीवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट को पहले कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. सो उसके लिए ईयर 3 asset are decrease, furniture, stock, reserve on doubtful debt, and 1 asset increase, land and building. So another form trick to remember. So whatever on asset side minus, it should be on debit side of revaluation account, and whatever plus asset, that should be shown on credit side of revaluation account. Minus amount should be shown on debit side of revaluation account, and plus amount when in asset side, if plus amount is there, then it should be shown on credit side of revaluation account. Okay, now here you can see total of credit side is more than debit side. So total of credit side is 7000. So here I'll write 7000 on credit side, 7000. So on debit side also 7000. Now remaining part means difference of this, that will be revaluation profit. So difference कितना है? So 0, then 2, $4,500. So 4,500 is the 4,500 is the 7,000 here. 0, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 here, 1 plus 4 5, 9, 15 plus 5 20, 2 query 2 plus 1 3 plus 4. Yes, 4550 means this is the revaluation profit. 4,550. This is the revaluation profit, and revaluation profit will be transferred to all partners capital accounts. All partner capital accounts. So ABC, in which ratio? In all ratios. So 6:5:3. So it should be distributed in this way. 4550 distributed in 6:5:3. So how to calculate? So here I saw the calculation working note. You don't show in this side. For A 4550, B 4550, C 4550 into 6/14 into 5/14 into 3/14. So here in reduced form, half amount of this, half 2 7s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 9. So then 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 1 and 7 17. So 7 2s are 14, again 3 raha 35, so 7 5s are 35. So 3 to 5 into 6, so 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 1 query 6 is 18 plus 1 19. So A के पार्ट में आएगा 1920. Now B, same here. Now no need to divide it, because directly here 325 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 2 query, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 5s are 25, 2 query, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 1 query, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 1625. Same way here 325 into 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15, 1 query, 3 2 is 6 or 1 7, 3 3 is 9. So here you can see 1920, 165 and 975. So total of this it must be 4550. So let's calculate it. Is it right or wrong? 10 4 5 1920, 1625 and 975. So here I think one mistake. C25 into 6. 6 5 is 30, 3 query, 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15. Sorry, here 15. 1 query, 6 is 18 and 1 19. Now 325 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 2 query, 5 2 is 10 plus 2, 12, 1 query, 5 3 is 15, 1 16. Okay. So 1 plus 5 6 plus 2 8 plus 7. So here there was one mistake. So now this is the right answer. 1950 plus 1625 and 9. 5 plus 5 10, 1 query, 1 plus 5 6 plus 2 8 plus 7 15, 1 query, 1 plus 9 10 plus 6 16 plus 9 25, 2 query, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So 4550. So this is I have shown here only working note. Don't write on credit side. It is only for understanding. So here you can see the distribution of revaluation profit in the share of A 1950. So here 1950, share of B 1625, 1625 and share of C 975, and this amount should be transferred to partners capital account. Here debit side, so on partners capital side it should be transferred it on credit side. So credit side here revaluation profit. So here revaluation account, revaluation profit how much? A 1950, B 1625, C 975. Okay, this is the revaluation profit transferred to capital account. Now, so here revaluation profit over. Now in partners capital account, now balance sheet is given, already given. So first of all, new partners capital 7000. Your credit side also 7000. Okay, then see 8900 is 9875, and here 10500. So here debit side is more than credit side. So debit side is more than credit side. So debit side how much? 10500. 10500. So remaining case either we will bring or withdraw. So here difference 5 plus 5 10, 1 query, 125. 125 is the difference. So here in particular we write case account 125. Is it right or wrong? So for totaling this 5 plus 5 10, 1 query, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 2 10, 1 query, 1 plus 9 10 plus 9 19 plus 1. So here there is mistake. So 5 plus 5 10, 1 query, 1 plus 7 8 plus 2 10, 1 query, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 6. So 25, 2 query, 2 plus 8 10. Okay, so 625. Here 625 in the column of C. Now column of B, total 16,000 plus 1,500. So 17,500 plus 1,000. So 18,500. Then this, so 19,125. And on this side 17,500. So which total we write? More total, means here total of B on credit side is more than debit side. So here 5, then 2, then 5 plus 6 11, 1 query, 1 plus 6 7 plus 1 8 plus 9 1. So 19,125. 19,125. How much? 19,125. Once again, 5, 2, 5 plus 6 11, 1, 1 query, 1 plus 6 7 8 9 and 1. So 19,125. So here 19,125. Now whatever difference that we write here, and in column of particular we write case account. So difference, how much difference? So 5, 2, 1625. If you don't know, then deduct from this 19,125 minus 17,500. So you will get this much. So again, to check for that, here 0 plus 5 5, 2, 5 plus 6 11, 1 query, 1 plus 7 8 plus 1 9, 19,125. Now in column of A, debit side 21,000 and credit side 90 plus 120 plus 121,000. So here you can see credit side is more than debit side. So first of all, we have to do the total of credit side. So credit side total in partner A, so 0, then 5, then 8 plus 9 17, 1 query, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 1 11 plus 1 12, 1 query, 1 plus 1 2. So 22,750. Here you can see total of column of A 22,750. So here total 22,750. 22,750. Now so here 1,750. 22,750 minus 21,000. So 1,750. So here you can see the partner will withdraw. On debit side amount is there, then partner will withdraw the capital, means A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to K's account. And if credit side is there, then partner will bring the amount of capital. So here in K's account, this amount means posting of this. So here you can see in capital account it is on debit side. So definitely on K's account it will be on credit side. So credit side, what we write? A's capital account, A's capital account to here B's capital account. तो कितना वो कैश पार्टनर कितना कैश विड्रॉल करेंगे? तो ए के कॉलम में कितना था? 1750 एंड इन द कॉलम ऑफ बी 1625. और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि क्रेडिट साइड पे कैश अकाउंट में सी के कॉलम में 625. सो हियर इन कैश अकाउंट डेबिट साइड व्हाट वी राइट? ऑन डेबिट साइड we write C's capital account. How much? 625. So here cash account means here on if any difference on debit side, अगर डेबिट साइड कोई डिफरेंस आ रहा है इसका मतलब कि वो पार्टनर विड्रॉल कर रहे हैं, और अगर क्रेडिट साइड कोई डिफरेंस आ रहा है इसका मतलब कि पार्टनर वो कैपिटल लाएगा. नाउ ऑलरेडी बैलेंस शीट इज गिवन, सो दैट वी हैव रिटन इन बैलेंस शीट. Now total of cash account, which side is more? So here you can see cash account total 5, 2, 8 plus 2 10 plus 6 16, 1 query, 1 plus 7 8 plus 4 12, 12,625. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1,000, so 12,625. So 12,625. Here balance CD, because difference is the balance CD. तो कितना डिफरेंस आ रहा है? 12,625 में ये माइनस करना है, तो हियर 0, 5 + 2 7 + 5 12, 1 query, 1 + 7 8, 8 + 6 14 + 2 16, 1 query, 1 + 1 2 + 1 3, 3 और 9 12, so 9,250 और टोटल ऑफ दिस मीन्स 12,625, उसमें से इसका टोटल माइनस करो तो अभी ये आंसर आएगा। चेक करना है तो हम कर लेते हैं। 5 + 2 7 + 5 12, 1 query, 1 + 7 8 + 6 14 16, 1 query, 1 + 1 2 3 + 9 12, so 9250 is balance CD. So closing balance of cash account, where we write in asset side, what we write here, cash account or cash balance. So cash balance कितनी है, cash in hand, cash balance हमने फाइंड आउट की है, how much, 9250, 9250 with 9,250. So here all adjustment are done, all balance are carry forward. Now total of this, so total of this means total of balance sheet. So on liability side, total of liability side 56 + 9, so 65,000 + 3 68,000, so 68,000 total of liability side. And asset side total 0, then 8 + 7 15 + 5 20, 2 query, 2 + 6 8 + 9 17 + 2 19, 1 query, 1 + 3 4, 4 + 12 16 17 27 28 and 37 67,900. So I think 100 mistake is there. I think in calculation it may be 3,080 okay, 12,600 okay, 11,907 okay, 31,9250 0, 8 + 7 15 + 5 20, 2 query, 2 + 6 8 8 + 9 17 + 2 19. I think it may be difference in is 5 + 2 7 + 5, 5 + 2 7 + 5 12, 1 query, 1 + 7 8 8 + 6 14 + 2 16, 1 query, 1 + 1 2. This is also right, 9250. So 100, I think in calculation. So here you have to find the difference where 100 is there, difference. It may be in this also. So check it where difference was there. So again revision of this, revaluation account, furniture, revaluation account, debit side these three things, credit side one thing, then cash account. You can take screenshot of this also. If any mistake in total, so you have to find partners capital account. Here also you can credit side this much, debit side this much. Here you have to see whether any difference of, and in balance sheet here working notes, finding new profit sharing ratio, and here working note of new capital. Thank you. So I hope you will try to find that mistake of 100 and you have to write in your notebook. Thank you.